Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding School. In this channel, we are making educational videos regarding coding concepts with proper example and its explanation. So from today, we are starting a new concept called DSA. Let's start with today's video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can learn different concepts quickly and efficiently. So today we are going to study what is the meaning of data and information, what is data structure and classification of data structures. Our first topic is data and information, in which we will study what is data. So initially data is derived from the word datum. It refers to the value or set of values that are raw and unorganized. Data is valuable raw material which can be available in different forms such as numbers, words, alphabets, etc. Now let's study what is the meaning of information. When data is processed, means organized, structured and presented in meaningful context, then it becomes useful for decision making and understanding. That processed data is called as information. Information plays vital role in decision making which is obtained from data. So indirectly data is important for decision making. Let's see example for data and information. Number of sales of different products in different cities over a time period are called data items, and when these number of sales are processed to find out average sale of a product in a particular city, then that data becomes information. Another simple example is take yourself. You may be 6 foot tall, have black hair and brown eyes. All of this is data. If we click picture, then that photo is information and how we look is data. We can send picture around through various medium without moving that person who is in the picture. And if we lose that photo, it won't change your look. In this case, we lose information, not data. This is simple diagram which is showing that when data from different sources get extracted and after performing ETL means extract, transform, load operation and stored in database, then that data becomes information. Let's see what is the meaning of data structure. A data structure is a way of storing data in computer's memory so that it can be used efficiently. Formally, a data structure is a logical or mathematical model of organization of data. The choice of data structure begins with the choice of abstract data types such as array. A well-designed data structure allows variety of operations to be performed very efficiently. Next topic is why to learn data structures and algorithms. As applications are getting complex and data becoming rich, there are three common problems that applications are facing nowadays. First problem is data search. Consider an inventory of 1 million items of a store. If the application is to search an item, it has to search it from 1 million items every time. So as data grows, search will become more slower. Second problem is processor speed. Nowadays, processor speed is very high, but also it falls limited if data grows to billion records. Third problem is multiple requests. As thousands of users can search data simultaneously on a web server, even the fastest server fails while searching the data. Next topic is classification of data structures. So data structures are classified into three ways. First is linear and non-linear data structures. Second is static and dynamic data structures. And third is homogeneous and non-homogeneous data structures. Today we will only study linear and non-linear data structure, and in next video we will cover remaining two categories. So first is linear data structure. Data structure where elements are arranged sequentially or linearly are called linear data structures. In linear data structures, single level is involved. Therefore, we can traverse all the elements in single run only. Linear data structures are easy to implement because computer memory is arranged in a linear way. Example of linear data search is array, linked list, queue, stack, etc. Second is nonlinear data structures. Data structures where data elements are not arranged sequentially or linearly are called nonlinear data structures. In a nonlinear data structure, single level is not involved. Therefore, we can't traverse all the elements in a single run. Nonlinear data structures are not easy to implement in comparison to linear data structures. Example is tree and graph. Note the following points. There are two ways of storing linear data structure into computer's memory. In first way, linear relationship between elements of the structure is represented by sequential memory locations. For example, arrays, as elements of an array are stored in continuous or adjacent memory locations. In the second way, the linear relationship between the elements of the structure is given by using pointers, means addresses. Example is linked list. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet with another interesting topic in upcoming videos.